What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Big Shake. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your air fryer to fry up some of the most juiciest, crispiest fried chicken you ever tasted in your life. Now I know you guys are looking in the camera and saying, who's this guy? Well, my name is Chef Big Shake. I own 5 Nashville hot chicken restaurants throughout the South, and we use about 250,000 pounds of chicken every single year. So we go through a lot of fried chicken, y'all. But this air fryer, man, I'm telling you, it changed my life. I got this for my birthday about a year ago from my wife, and it's one of my best presents I've ever received. Thank you, baby. Listen, the air fryer is so cool. There's no grease, no mess, no hassle, no grease splattering up on your stove, the heavy deep cleaning after it's all over. You're in, you're out, you're eating chicken so quick. That's what I love. So let's jump right into this recipe. I have an egg wash, about 3 or 4 eggs, with about a half a cup of milk. I whisked up. I have our Big Shake's award-winning chicken flour, shameless plug, but this is the same flour we use in our restaurants, y'all. And I have some chicken wings here. So I have some drums and I have some flats. I'm gonna throw the chicken right inside the egg wash. So people always ask, well, how do you get it so crispy? Here goes 2 hacks, I'm gonna tell you how to get it super crispy. Even if you're frying chicken, on the stove top, but even in your air fryer, right here, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. It'll do the trick, y'all. I'm talking about it'll make that flour just pop up. You ever see the little nooks and crannies on the fried chicken? You look like you just want to go jump and dive inside of it. That's what this does, and that's what that does. So there you go. You just learned 2 new things from me. 2 ingredients to use in your fried chicken going forward, y'all. So we got an egg wash, coat it really good. Let's take 3 pieces to start with. I'm gonna dredge it inside my flour. Now this flour is already pre-seasoned. We have about 15 different ingredients in our flour that we use in our restaurant. This already comes pre-seasoned. Now, to make sure this chicken is gonna be nice and crispy when it goes into this air fryer, because remember, we're not using any grease. So what I'm gonna use, let's put this out the way, is olive oil spray. Now, you can use vegetable oil spray, you can use Pam, it doesn't matter. I like olive oil spray. It's lean, got some good flavor to it. So we want to cover it really good and coat it really good with the olive oil. See that? Coat it really good. So that way you're not missing any spots. And then we're going to go for a second round of dredging in our flour. So we're gonna put it right back into the flour. Let me get this on camera, y'all, so y'all can see. Put it right back into the flour. We're gonna coat this for a second time. Now this is where the magic happens, the second time. To get that chicken wing nice and coated and nice and covered. Now this is what is going to make that chicken crunch. So good in your air fryer. Quick shameless plug if you don't mind, hold on. Here it goes right here, the Big Shake's all-purpose seasoned flour for fried chicken. Tastes good, y'all. So, here we go. It's dredging, let's take it out. Now I have some chicken already cooking in the air fryer because I only have 5 minutes to film, y'all. So I have to do this pretty quickly. So, let me take my gloves off. Let's move this out of the way. And I've had this on for 13 minutes in my air fryer, and I had it on 400 degrees. So let's cut this thing off. Got about 20 more seconds, but let's cut it off right now. Oh yes, you see that? So I got a little mini air fryer, y'all. I know some of you guys have these huge air fryers. It's just me and my wife, so I cook about 4 or 5 wings at a time, and I'm cool, y'all. So this is what that chicken looks like. Now this is hot. See that? See all that crunch? Yes. This air fryer works miracles, y'all, especially when you want to do simple and quick recipes like fried chicken. It's no mess, no cleanup. This thing is incredible. I'm gonna take a quick bite. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Yo, subscribe to my page, Chef Big Shake. Come check me out. I got a whole lot of recipes that I use this air fryer. I got a fried fish recipe that's gonna blow your mind. I got a fried shrimp recipe. I cook mac and cheese in my air fryer. Come on out, y'all. Come check me out. Be safe.